Are you a fan of coffee or tea? So don't miss this video out. Let's go and make this very beautiful wire earring with the shape of cup of tea or coffee, and all you need is your wires of 0.8 or 0.4 and also your main tools, round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and wire cutter, and also a piece of paper, a pen or pencil. The first but most important step is to draw your design. Just pick up a piece of paper, your pen or pencil, and then start to draw a cup. Just like this. It could be so easy, just with some little lines. And here there would be the stems, like some spirals. Could be as delicate and easy as this design. Then we start to make these lines just with our wire, and we pick up 0.8 wire for this main structure and start to form it little by little. We start from this part by making a little loop here. Use your round nose pliers and make a loop like this, and a 90-degree bend and another one, and here just like a rectangle that is made. You close this shape and round the wire like some ovals that are inside each other. This is the first one. The second one that is just a little smaller than the previous one, and continue making these spirals and wire oval shapes. Okay. When you get to this part, the important step is to cut your wire out and make a little loop here. This loop should be in a way that fastens these wires too. So let me cut the wire and about 1 centimeter, and now bend it a little, and we are going to throw it back in the middle of these oval wire shapes. Just push it a little, and this is it. It's like when you have a little tie here. As you could see, this is even more beautiful in this central shapes. And then make a little loop here. All right. Now, this is the time to make this second part that is just like the vapor and the stems that arises from the cup. So again, pick up your 0.8 wire and make your first loop. You could continue making a spiral or just one loop. It depends on you and the design that you have in your mind. I continue to make the spiral that every row are in distances with each other. So make another curve here. You could use your thumb or your fingers to shape the wire. It's so helpful and also good. And here, make a turn with your round nose pliers and make some curves so that we could form the second spiral shape somewhere like this. We are ready to cut the wire out and make another loop and spiral shape here. Just make a little loop and with your chain nose pliers keep it and push that with your other hand so that you would have a spiral shape here. Okay, now squeeze it a little and some fixing. To have a better shape, I decide to edit it a little. Okay, and now these two parts are going to attach with this little loop that we had just made. You could use a jump ring or just attach these two parts by opening up this little loop and inserting the other shape, just like this, and then close it. This is almost ready. And you could change it as you desire and the form that you have in mind as a cup of tea or coffee. And also, this is better to fix these two parts with a thinner wire of about 0.4 or 0.5 by just making a tie and little coilings here. Just make a little U shape with your thinner wire and make a little coil here. Continue wrapping it all around these two wires that you're going to attach to fix it up and to be fastened. 2 or 3 times is enough for this part. You could continue that even more. Okay. After you have finished coiling wires in this part and make little ties, it's better to do the same at this part too, to attach these two spiral shapes together. Now this is the time to add the hook for your earring. Just make a little loop with your 0.8 or 1 millimeter wire, then another bigger U shape, or I could better say a part of a circle, and then make a line like this and then cut it out. This would be an easy and fast earring hook that you could use for your cup of tea or coffee. Okay, this would be your beautiful earring. I hope you would make one and enjoy it so much. Bye bye.